get started. Let me just open the schedule and see what all movements do we have here. So we will be working on our quads, quadriceps in the first. So it's a compound body movement. So the movement is squat and we have banded squat walk. Okay, so first let's begin with squats. And what are we going to do? So hold the dumbbells in your hands. If you don't have, that's fine. You can do normal squats. So both the dumbbells in your hands like this, okay? Legs shoulder length apart. Now from here, bend down in a squat and come back up. Bend down in a squat and come back up. Let's do that 12 counts, everyone. Hold both the dumbbells. Start whenever you're ready. 12 counts. Yes, let's go for it. Yes, again go as deep as possible. Okay, if you're done one set, relax. There is a variation in the second set. Okay, now in the second set, we are going to do 5 pulses at every count, and the pulsing is not deep. Just watch it. So we are trying to focus on our quads. So we will not squat very deep. You can squat deep, but don't pulse very deep. So just watch the movement. I'm showing you a side view. So we are here, squat, pulse slightly up 5 times and come back up. Again watch. Squat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and come back up. Watch it from the front. It looks like this. Squat, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back up. Okay. 5 counts, 5 pulses on each count. Pulses are slightly up. Okay, let's go for it. Not too high, but not very low also. Trying to focus on our quadriceps. Yes, let's go for it. Yes, very good, Varun. Good, Parag, good. Try pulsing slightly faster. Yes, good, Dipen. There you go. Yes. Good, Bharat. 5 pulses, come up. Again go down. 5 pulses, come up. We do that 5 times. Yes, down 5 pulses. Yes, if you are done, relax. Drop your dumbbells when you relax. Drop your dumbbells and walk. Yes, Bhavna, you need to go down slightly more, okay? Yes, that's fine. Okay, now in the...
How many counts of this?
5 counts.
Okay.
Okay, now watch the third set. In the third set, we are going to do 5 pulses midway and then 5 pulses at the top. Just watch it. Let Bhavna finish her workout. I'll show it. Okay, now watch it. Legs shoulder length apart. Squat and then say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come up slightly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and up. Alright. We will be doing 5 counts of this. Watch it again. Squat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and up. Yes. Let's go for it. 5 counts. Yes, good. So first pulse is midway, the second pulse is up. Okay, you're not standing, you're slightly squatting and up. Yes, very nice, Parag. Good. Yes. Good, Radhika. Good. Five counts. If you're done five, drop your dumbbells and relax for a while. Okay, we'll do one more set. Variation in pulses, just watch. So, now I'm going to pulse slightly. The spring of the pulse is slightly more. Okay, so what do I mean by that? So, when I pulse, I go down and up, but not too down, not too up. So, I'll show you what difference I mean by that. Yes, Sameer, join in. Just jog on the spot for a while. Okay, so just watch. The usual squat is squat and up, squat and up. Okay, now with the long pulse squats, what am I going to do? Squat up, squat up, squat up. Okay, I don't come up full. Now, how is the tempo of the workout? How is the speed? I'm going to slightly speed up these pulses. Just watch. Squat up. Okay, yes, the range of motion is slightly more than the pulses. Yes, and I'm not coming up full. Alright, let's go for it. So what we are going to do is 12 pulses only. Alright, longer pulses. Start. Yes.
Mehak,
Come
we
up almost,
have
yes.
12 pulses basically.
Yes, 12
Okay.
pulses. Yes, good Varun, good. Yes, Sameer, adjust your camera angle so that I see your full body. थोड़ा camera angle को नीचे कर लो. Okay. Yes, Bhavna. Go down deeper, Bhavna. Go deeper, yes. Relax, others. Okay. Now let's wear resistance bands if we have them. Sameer, relax. We are changing the movement. Relax. Okay, so we are going to do banded squat walk. If you have a band, wear it. If you don't have, you can do otherwise as well, not an issue. So, wear the band slightly above the knee like this. Okay. Now from here, what are we going to do? It's a timed workout. I'll be timing it at 30 seconds. Okay. And what are we going to do is, legs shoulder length apart, be in the squat. And from here, keep walking on one side and then walk on the other side. As much as space you have in your room. Okay. It is a simple squat walk side to side. If you don't have a band, not to worry. You can do the movement without band as well. So just be in the squat and keep walking side to side. Alright. I'm going to time it at 30 seconds. Yes. Sameer, आप अपना phone चाहे नीचे ज़मीन पे रख दो. That's fine. Yes, this is fine. Okay. Get ready. I'll give you 10 more seconds before we start. Wear your band if you have slightly above the knees, okay, not too high. Okay, starting in 3, 2, 1, start. Walk side to side. Be in the squat. Yes, Sameer, you need to bend down more. पहले squat में आ जाओ, yes. And then start walking. Yes, Varun, try bending down more. Go down deeper, guys, deeper. Yes, Vikram, very good. Good, Dipen. Relax. Relax. Okay, rest. Alright. Sameer, what you will be doing is you have a chair in your room, any chair, okay, any solid chair, which I mean should not be very cushiony. Just watch what you will be doing. So that's the chair. So what you need to do is legs shoulder length apart. Just go down. The moment your hips touch the chair, you come back up. Okay, go down. The moment your hips touch the chair, you come back up. Do that 20 times. Alright. Others, let's get ready for the squat walk. Okay, start. Yes. Good, Sameer. Good. Bharat, bend down more. Radhika, chest out. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Sameer, keep doing it. You'll do 20 counts. If you're done 20, you can relax, but not before that. Okay, third set, everyone. Get ready. Start. Squat walk, third set started. All this while, make sure you don't remove your band unless one movement is over. Bhavna, you need to squat more. Squat more, go down, yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. You can join if you are not. Okay. If you're not well, then you can see. Okay. All right. Sorry. Okay. Let's go for the second set of movements, which will be working on our adductors. Okay, so we will be doing opposite side leg raise, plank raise, side lunges, sumo squat. So some very interesting movements. Let me just point out the muscle group. So these are adductors, okay, adductors which are here, situated here. Okay, so let's look at the first movement. We will be doing side plank raises. And what is that? Opposite side leg raises. Now, we will be using band for that. I'll just show you, if you have a chair, how you can, or anything in your room, how you can place it. Otherwise, we have alternate of every movement. So here is a chair. What I have done is, I have just looped in my band inside this chair like this, okay, and I'm going to incline one leg here. Alright, and holding the chair with my hand so it doesn't move. The movement goes like this. So I'm going to raise my leg on the inside. Okay, it is opposite leg raise, raising the leg on the inside. Just see if it is possible. You can do it with a longer band also. So band is not an issue here, but you need to make sure that you have such a provision in your room or your house. If it is not there, we have an alternative of that. Yes, Sameer, you can do it like that. Yes, Bhavna, let's try. If we can loop it in the chair and do it. Bharat, if we don't have, we have an alternative for that. If you don't have it, right now we have an alternative. Yes. So, Ankita, when you do it, hold the chair with one hand so the chair doesn't move. Okay? Let's do 10 counts if you are done. So, if those of you who don't have a provision, what will you be doing is, you lie down like this, okay? One leg in front, okay? Raise the opposite leg up like this. Okay, it's the same movement. Watch it. Yes, Bharat, can you do it? Don't use the band now. Just raise the opposite leg like this. If you have a band, use a band.
Mehak, एक बार can you show it with the chair again? Sorry.
Yes, yes. So my chair has a loop here and I've placed my band like that. I take one leg here. One leg is free. One leg I'm taking and I'm holding the chair with my hand so the chair doesn't move. Now from here, raise the leg towards the opposite side. So raise this leg and take it on the opposite side. Try keeping your torso as stable as possible. Okay, let's do that. 10 counts on each leg. Once you are done on this leg, what you need to do is just turn over, use the other leg, loop it with your feet and raise this leg on the opposite side. So the range of motion is not too much when we raise it on the opposite side. Let's spend time here, do 10 on each and keep altering it. We do 3 sets. Yes, good Dipen, good. Bharat, this is not side leg raises, this is opposite side leg raises. So try doing the movement which I told you. Okay, lie down and lift your opposite leg. You will find a difference that we are engaging our abductors. So just watch it. So you are here, lie down. Just like we do in our side leg raises. Raise one leg here or you can rest it also. Now raise the opposite leg up. Opposite leg up. Like this. Okay, you can keep this leg here also, you can keep this leg here also. All we are doing is we are just trying to raise this leg up. Okay? Yes, let's go for it. 10 on each, 3 sets everyone. As it is, one leg at a time, so you don't need that much rest. And when you raise the leg on the opposite side, try to pause. Don't be in a rush. Yes, try to pause. Yes, good Ankita, good. Yes, Bhavna, slightly stand closer to the chair. Stand slightly closer to the chair. Bhavna, are you feeling a stretch there on the inside? No, you're not because the movement is not coming right. Watch it again. So if I'm holding the chair like that, just watch. So if I'm holding the chair, I need to make sure I am giving this pull to my leg. My band just came off. I'll use another band. Okay, so just make sure that if you are using a band, so you loopen your band like this, whether that's a single band or a double band, whatever. So you need to pull the band on the opposite side. Just let me fix it once. Okay. Now you need to pull it on the opposite side. So it is here. Alright, you need to pull. Pull. Watch it. So even if you do it on the side, you need to pull it here. So you will feel it in your abductors. Alright? And try to pause it. Pause and back. Pause and back. Yes? So it's a very, slight movement you will feel. Yes. Take it more on the side, Bhavna. Take it more on the opposite side. Yes. There you go. If you're done 3 sets, you can relax. Those who are done 3 sets. Okay. Now let's watch the next movement. Okay, Bhavna, you can watch it meanwhile that you're doing it. We are going to do side plank leg raises. And what is that? Again, I would be using a chair. You can use a stool also or anything in your room. which is available. This is, I think, too high. हाँ बेटे बोलो. हाँ. अच्छा. Ask Papa. Okay. So just watch. You're going to lie down with one leg raised up. Okay, it can be a stool, it can be a table, chair, whatever. The height should not be too high. It should be as per your comfort. Now just watch what we are going to do. Be in the plank here like this, okay, and try raising one opposite leg up. You're raising the opposite leg up. Okay, got it? Let's try that. Let's try. I'm just going to turn my camera angle so that you can see my upper body as well. I'm in the elbow plank. Okay, first be in the plank like this. Now balance your body and try raising the opposite leg up. If this is not possible, you can stay here for 30 seconds. Okay, let's try. You will not be banding, so no bands here. Just try to be in the plank first. Be in the plank, yes. Now raise the opposite leg up and down. Yes, try. Yes, good Parag, good. Yes, Bhavna, let's try that. We will be doing 2 sets only for this movement, as it's a slightly complex movement. Radhika, you need to raise your torso also up. Be in the plank. Be in the plank. Okay. Yes. Good, Bhavna. Good. Try doing 10 on each leg. Sameer, you need to lower your camera angle and show me your movement. Bharat, you also lower your camera angle. I need to see your movement. Yes. Yes, good. Okay, so those of you who are not able to raise your leg up, what will you be doing is, raise one leg up like this, okay, and try taking the opposite leg up, okay, without being in the plank. This is not very effective, okay, but never mind, if you are not able to do the full plank, you can raise the leg up like this. The opposite leg has to go up. Yes, Sameer, yes, good. The opposite leg goes up. Yes, good. Okay. 2 sets. 10 counts each. Bharat, slightly go slow, not too fast. Okay, if you are done, you get up and start walking. Yes, Radhika, you need to balance yourself more. Yes, Bhavna, let's go for it. Yes, good. Yes, so it's a slightly awkward movement. Keep trying it. Yes, Radhika, you need to straighten your body. 2 sets, 10 counts.
Like you can put your weight on both the hands.
Ideally, no, but if you're losing out on your balance for the time being, you may.
Thanks.
Ankita, try being in the plank. Even if you don't raise your leg, just maybe for 15 seconds or so, try being in the plank like that. Okay, relax everyone if you're done. Let's move to the next movement, simple movement, side lunges. Now, here I would want, if you have difficulty in doing side lunges, you need to hold a chair, table, whatever in your room. So I'll just show you the full motion first. Legs are wider. Now from here, you go down as deep as possible and come back up. So when you go down, you can even raise the opposite leg up. Okay, raise the opposite leg up like this. Alright, or you may not raise it and be here. I let you choose, both are correct. But make sure that when you go down, you push your hips down. If this movement seems difficult, what you can do is you can just hold the chair like this. Legs are wider. With the help of the chair, you go down and place your body weight here to come back up. Let's go for it. 5 on each side in the first set. Yes, good Sameer, good, very nice. Radhika, you need to use the chair and don't tilt your body. Your body remains in the center. Okay, it doesn't tilt like that. Yes, go down on one side now. Yes, much better, much better. Push your hips back more. Five on each in the first set. Relax. If you're done one set, you need to relax. Varun, you need to go down further. Go down, yes. Push your hips back, go down further. Second set, try doing 8 on each side. Again, we'll be doing 2 sets of this. 8 on each side in the second set. Start only when you are ready. Don't stop in between the movement. Parag, you need to bend down more. Bend down more. Yes. Good. Good. Very nice. Very nice. Slightly bring your legs closer, Parag. That position is, difficult on your flexibility part. Yes. Good. Much better. Much better. So if you have difficulty in bending down too much, either you can hold a chair or maybe you can slightly shorten your stance, narrow your stance, depending on the flexibility of your body. Yes, Bhavna, second set, 8 on each side. Do it, never mind. Hold the balcony and do it, no? Hold the balcony railing and do it. Hold it. Legs wider. Now go on one side. Yes. And come back up. No, not like this. You need to come back up full. Come up. Come up. Come up. Yes. Again bend down on the other side. Yes. Come up. Come up. Come up, Bhavna. At every count, you need to come back up. Again go down. Sameer, try doing it with the chair only. That movement was coming right. If you're done 2 sets, relax. Okay. Next movement is your sumo squats. And for this, you will be holding one single dumbbell in the center. Again, we'll be doing 2 sets of this. Just watch. So one single dumbbell in the center, elbows straight. Legs wide, toes pointing out. Now here, push your hips back, go down and come back up. Make sure your legs are not too wide, but your toes are pointing out. I am just lowering my camera angle to show my toes. So your toes are pointing out. Okay, this is your start position. You go down, pause and come back up. First set is usual. The second set is with 2 pulses. 1, 2 and up. Down. 1, 2 and up. Alright, let's go for it. First set 10 counts without pulses. Second set with pulses. Yes. Try to bend down more from your hips. Yes, Sameer, you need to slightly narrow your stance. पैरों को थोड़ा पास लेके आओ. Toes out. Toes out. हाँ, toes को out करो समीर. पैरों को बाहर की तरफ point करो. हाँ, now do it. Yes, much better, much better. Yes. With the pain, good, very nice. Yes, 10 counts in the first set, and the second set is 10 counts with 2 pulses each. Take rest between sets, at least for 30 seconds. Yes, good. Yes, very nice. Very good, Sami. Very nice effort. Yes. Yes, Bhavna, let's finish it. 10 counts, 2 pulses each in the second set. Good. If you're done, you can relax. Okay, now we move to hip abductors, which are the outer side of your legs. Okay, so usual position is outside of your outer edge of your legs, abductors. So the movement are side leg raises, fire hydrants, courtesy lunges. Let's start with side leg raises, and how are we going to do it? So you can do it, so we will be doing it today standing. You can do it both ways, by whether lying down or standing. So place your band. You can, you should ideally a shorter one. My shorter one just broke off, so I'm holding a longer one. And how are we going to do it? So place it around your legs, slightly above your knees. Okay, and loop it. If you have a longer band, if you have a shorter band, you can just wear it like this. Okay, now hold a ball or chair, whatever. Now from here, try raising your leg up. Okay, same leg, so same side, not the opposite. We did opposite for our adductors. Now for the abductors, we are raising the same leg up. Pause and down. Up, pause and down. Alright, let's go for it. 10 counts. So the position of band is slightly above the knees. Start. Hold a wall for a balance, a good balance. Yes, Bhavna, start the workout. Yes. Try holding Parag, try holding the almirah or wall behind you. So that will give you a good range of motion. That is the reason I am asking you to hold. Yes, good. Raise it as high as possible. Radhika, take your band slightly down. It should be right above the knees, not too high on the thighs. Yes, good Parag, good. Yes, 10 counts on each leg and 2 sets. Yes, Bhavna, try holding it. So if you are here, everyone, so you need to hold it up and slowly bring it down. Now when you bring down, don't rest, okay? Up, pause, down. Up, pause, down. Yes, let's keep going for it. Up, pause and down. 10 on each. Bharat, you can wear the longer band around your. Okay, sorry, you are already wearing. Sorry, I couldn't spot it. Sorry. Yes. Radhika, don't tilt your upper body. Your upper body has to be stable, only your legs move. The range of motion will be slightly restrictive there, but don't move your upper body. Upper body stays stable. Yes, 10 counts, each leg and 2 sets. If you are done, you can remove your band and take a breather for maybe 15-20 seconds. Yes, Bhavna done. Bhavna, you need to give it a slight pause. Raise it slightly higher. Yes, good. So this movement is better with a shorter band instead of tying the longer one, because shorter band comes with the marked resistance, whether it is 5 kg, 6 kgs, whatever. Okay. If you are done, remove your band. The next movement will be your fire hydrants, and just have a look at that. How are we going to do it? Again, you will be on all fours and tying the band is there on around your above your knees. Okay, the same way. Alright, now from here you need to take your leg out and in. Out and in. Out and in. Watch the front angle. So if I am here, just see the position of the band. It is slightly above the knees. Raise your leg up so that both the legs are together but not touching. Okay. Now from here, raise your leg out and in. Out and in. So the feet is down. The feet doesn't go up like that. The feet remains down. Only the knee opens up and closes. Alright, let's go for it. 10 counts and 2 sets. Yes, start whenever you are ready. Give it a slight pause as you open your leg up. Band should be above the knees. Yes. Yes, good. Good, Dipen, good. Yes, very good, Radhika. Yes. Parag, you need to keep your feet, both the feet together. First, join both the feet together. Now, open only the knees. The feet remains joined. Only the knees open up. Yeah, there you go. Now, slowly lift up the feet that you are moving. Alright, as in it should not rest on the other foot. It should be up in the air. Yes, there you go. There you go. That's fine. That's fine. Absolutely fine. Yes. 10 counts on each leg. Sameer, show me a side view. Turn on one side and show. Yes. Yes. Sameer, you need to keep your feet together. So just watch the movement again. 10 counts in 2 sets, everyone. So Sameer, just watch it. You are here, okay? Your leg is folded only. From here, you open up the knees and bring it down. Open up the knees and bring it down. Okay? The leg is not straightened. The leg goes out and in. Yes, let's try that. Keep your feet together, Sameer. Keep your feet together. Only open the knee part. Only open the leg from the knee. Feet together. Join your feet together first. Now open from the knee. No, open the knee out. So see, Samir, if I stand and do the movement, so this movement looks like this. Open the knee and close. Open and close. Yes, good. There you go. Much better, but try that your feet remain together. Your feet don't go out. 10 counts, 2 sets. Varun, feet together. Feet should not, the foot that you're moving should not go out. Both the feet together, only the knee goes out. Yes, Bhavna, I want to say something. Done? Ticket, relax. Those who are done can relax. One last movement. After this, we have courtesy lunges. Again, 2 sets of courtesy lunges we are going to do. And watch the movement. First set you can do without holding the weight. The second set you can hold the weight. Watch the movement. Legs are shoulder length apart. Now from here, take one leg back and towards the side. Okay, this is your start point. The toe of the front leg still points straight. Now bend down in a lunge and come back up. Bend down in a lunge as deep as possible and come back up. Now one mistake we might make is, I'm just going to show you a back view. One mistake we might make is taking my leg too much diagonal. Okay, if you take it too diagonal, your range of motion will be quite restricted. So all you need to do is just be at your back. This is your normal lunge. Slightly take it on the side. That's your courtesy position. And bend down as deep and come back up. Don't take the leg too much on the diagonal. Alright? Just the opposite side, but not too diagonal. Let's try that. First take your leg back and then move it slightly on the opposite. Radhika, just try taking on the opposite side slightly more. Slightly more. Yes. Yes, I think this is fine. Go for it. Much better. Yes, Bharat, let's go for it. 10 counts on each leg. Yes, go deeper. Yes, good Varun, good. Good Parag. Try doing it one leg at a time. Don't do alternate. Down and up. On the spot courtesy lunges. Down and up. 10 on one side. And then change your leg. Yes, good Dipin. Don't come back. You need to stay there only. On the spot lunges. Yes. Yes. Go as deep as possible. 10 counts on each leg. Bhavna, take your leg further back. Go down deeper. Deeper, deeper. Yes. Yes, good. If you're done one set, try doing the second set after an interval of 15 seconds. If you're done 2 sets, relax.
Mehak, I was doing it right?
You are doing it right, Bhavna, but you need to go down further. Okay, you are not bending too much. To engage your, so we are working on our abductors. To engage your abductors, you need to make sure that you go down as deep and the position of the leg is making a diagonal and it is not just straight back up. Yes, 10 counts on each leg. Yes, very nice, Bharat. Good. If you're done 10 counts, each leg, 2 sets, you can relax. We are through with our workout. Walk around, have water if you wish to.